Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 14. In 1501, Pope Alexander II's family hosted the notorious Banquet of Chestnuts in the Vatican, infamous for its scandalous excess. Organized by his son, Cesare Borgia, the event was marked by lavish indulgence and moral decadence, attended by Rome's elite and church officials. It infamously featured a bizarre contest where courtesans gathered chestnuts on the floor, while guests bet on their efforts. This event, possibly exaggerated over time, symbolizes the corruption of the Renaissance papacy and highlights the notorious legacy of the Borgia family, a true depiction of history's complex and contradictory nature.